Hello and welcome back. So this is a video number 2 of playlist Python programming tutorials for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to install Python 3 on macOS. We are going to cover the following topics: how to install Python 3, after installing Python 3, how to validate it, to check that the Python 3 has installed properly or not, and also we are going to see how to make Python 3 as a default version. And after that, we will see how to uninstall Python 3. You might be thinking about the third option. So what does it mean? Don't worry, I am going to explain each and everything step by step and very easy to follow process. Let's quickly open the terminal and find out what commands we need to use. First of all, we will check if there is any Python version already installed into our machine or not. To check that, we will use command python --version, which will show you the current Python version which is installed into your system. Now we will go and check for Python 3 as well. So I'm going to write a command python 3 --version. So as you can see, the Python 3 is not installed into my system. We are getting an error called command not found. That means we don't have a Python 3 installed. Before going to install a Python 3, just a quick check, a quick note. Make sure you have Homebrew installed into your system. If not, check the description of this video. I will provide all the details and all the links to install Homebrew into your system. Homebrew is a piece of software which is used to manage, install the packages. In case you want to learn more about the Homebrew, I will provide a link in the description below, so you can go there and check that out. Let's now install Python 3. So the command for installing Python 3 is brew install python 3. So now we have covered the first point, which is how to install Python 3. Let's move into the second point, where we have to validate and verify the Python 3 is installed successfully or not. To validate and verify Python 3 is installed properly or not, we are going to use the command python 3 --version. So we are going to check the version. We can also validate the installation by typing python 3. So just write python 3 and press enter. You should be seeing python 3 interpreter, the version and the date. Let's exit from Python interactive shell. Now let's understand how we make Python 3 as a default version. To understand it better, I will give you an example. So you have a Python program, and if you want to run that program using Python 3, and you have both Python 2 and 3 installed into your system. So in that case, if you don't want to write Python 3 each and every time whenever you are running your program, you can make an alias of it and just simply write Python and your file name. So making an alias of any command, it's pretty easy. You just need to open the hidden file called bash_profile, and where you have to put the alias command, which will internally convert your Python command to Python 3. So I have opened that file into VI editor, and I will go to a last line and write a command. So command would be alias space python equal single quote python 3 single quote close. Make sure there is no space between python equal and single quotes python 3. Once you write this command, save that file and close it. Now we have added the alias. Now just quickly go and check to write python --version. So remember, when we ran the same command previously, we were getting Python 2.7 version. Now run the same command and see what we are getting. Alright. So we are still getting Python 2.7. So what we did, we just updated the config file, but that config, the changes which we have made, it's not loaded, right? To load that changes, we need to close the terminal and open it again. If you want to verify that the Python 3 has become your default version or not, you just go and type python space --version. You should see Python 3 as a default version. Now let's see how to uninstall Python 3. To installing Python 3, it's a very simple command. So we just need to type brew uninstall --ignore -dependencies space python 3. So this command will uninstall your Python 3 from this system. After uninstalling your Python 3, just make sure you have removed the alias from the .bash profile file. Once you removed it, close the terminal, open the terminal again and try to run Python version command to see which version of Python you have. You can find all the commands in the description below. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.